Hello there. Today I learned everything about Tkinter, about widgets, place, grid, and all that stuff. So today or now we'll show you my project. Super simple and easy because we went through a lot of lessons today. Um, so the project was to make a mile to kilometer to kilometer converter. So let's show it here. So if I type 20 miles is 32 kilometers. So I started by first making the window, and I like this size. So I just took the width of 300 and height of 150, and I made it so the window had a padding of 50, I don't know what you call it, paces from each side, so it's more centered. Otherwise, it would probably be up here, all this stuff. Then I make the entry where I put the number of miles, and it has the place, and the row, the grid thing here is the placing. So we can say that it has three columns: column 0, column 1, and column 2. And then we have three rows: row 1, row 0, row 1, row 2. So here we have it in the middle, in the top row, so it's column 1, row 0. Then I have a label called miles, which is column 2, row 0. Then I make the E is equal to label. Then I have the kilometer label over here. Actually, I want to change this to the big K. And take this down. So I started with these first, these four. And that's what you call it, the easy part. Now the harder part is making the result here to work. So when I press the button, I will see how many kilometers 20 miles are. So I made the result label empty, and I placed it on the correct position. Then I made a function called calculate. So I make a result, which is the mile, the entry from here, what I write here. So I get that, and I divide it by 0.62137. And then I change the result label text to the result, but I also round it up so it doesn't have a ton of decimals. And now I can make the calculate button work, because it needs to have this function to make the change when I press it. Otherwise, nothing happens. So yeah, then I just put in the button, say made it so it says calculate, use the function, and I place it on the last row in the middle. And then of course I have the window.main loop to make the whole program work, because without this it won't start, nothing would happen. So that was today's project. It's mostly lessons, and sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been having kind of a vacation going around, and for the next week as well. So but thank you for looking at my stuff, and have a really good day.